To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the Edit Profile button located beneath your profile picture. Here, you will find the new update titled Add Banners. Tap on it. If you have previously linked your Facebook account with your Instagram account, you will see your Facebook name displayed under the Add Banners section. If you haven't linked your Facebook account, you will see the option to add any of your Facebook profiles. Now tap on your Facebook name to proceed. After that, tap on OK in the top right corner to confirm. Now, return to your profile page. You will then see your Facebook name displayed above the Edit Profile button. If any of your followers or friends tap on it, they will be redirected to your Facebook profile page. So that's how you can display your Facebook name on your Instagram profile.